Hey guys, Graham Pruitt, Intercoastal Mortgage. So a good question I had from a client was, do we have to sign in person or can we sign electronically? So there's a couple different times during the process where you're going to be signing documents, okay? Obviously, in the beginning when you're talking to your realtor, it just depends on how they work. So that might be electronically, it might be in person, it just depends. Our process is typically when you call us to inquire about a loan and get numbers and ask questions, that is a phone conversation that we're having, okay? And then the only time really, and then in the beginning also there's going to be an application process. So most of the time applications can be done online through our online application. Now, some people like that, some people don't. So we will cater to you wherever you are. If you want to do the application online, you're welcome to do that. If you want to do it over the phone with us, you're welcome to do that. If you want to come into our office and sit down and do it together, we will meet you wherever you want to be, okay? And then after that, during the loan process, there are things that need to be updated. So if it's, acknowledging the receipt of a form, a lot of times we're going to do that via DocuSign or electronically. However, you can physically sign. Again, doesn't really matter, whatever you want to do. That initial application, we can email it to you, right? And you guys can print it out. We can print it and mail it to you if you guys want, highlighted as to where signatures need to be, okay? So again, we're just gonna meet you wherever you are and wherever you prefer. And then at the end, when everything's said and done and you're going into closing, you are gonna go into the office physically and sign documents, okay? We're not quite at the place where everything can be electronically documented and signed, okay? The deed, the note, those things are definitely things that need physical signatures. We are starting to do hybrid closings where you can sign a lot via electronically before the closing day and then go in and sign that note and the deed and a couple other title forms the day of closing. We are not 100% electronic digital signatures yet. So one day the industry will get there. We're not quite there yet. So right now we're a mix of whatever it is that you want to do, but certainly at closing, you need to physically either be there or be sitting in front of a notary. But either way, you're going to be taking pen to paper and signing your name on the dotted line to all those documents. So I hope that answers your question. If you have anything else or any additional questions, leave a comment down below or shoot me an email. Have a great one. Take care.